Imagine waiting eagerly for the arrival of your little one, and suddenly you went for your prenatal visit, and it is said that your blood pressure is extremely high, or you have proteins in your urine. What is that, and what should you do about it? It's quite unfortunate that this condition, known as preeclampsia, is still less talked about, because this is a very dangerous condition in pregnancy that can lead to both the death of the mother and the baby. So you get not, it's quite unfortunate that someone will have have to carry pregnancy up to 9 months and still lose the baby. Is very unfortunate. And maybe if you eventually give birth to that baby, you start suffering from one complication or the other, such ranging from stroke and the rest of them. So in today's video, I'll be talking about preeclampsia and all you should know about it. Join me in today's video. If this is your first time of seeing this video, don't forget to like this video, share to your family and friends, and also leave a comment if you have experienced such. Then let's dive into it. What does this preeclampsia mean? It simply means that you are having high blood pressure in pregnancy, and this is often checked when you have reached 20 weeks of pregnancy. So when you have clocked 20 weeks of pregnancy, it is advisable to constantly monitor proteins in your urine. If you start having traces or pluses of protein in your urine, you need to be looked at closely. And also your blood pressure needs to be monitored closely and with other symptoms. If you're having symptoms like blurry vision, headache that cannot go away, maybe you wake up in the morning, you are having headache, you are having blurry vision, you are feeling dizzy, it is time to go to, and you are above 20 weeks of pregnancy, you should check out with your doctor to know whether it's preeclampsia symptom, or suddenly you started noticing your face is swelling up, your hands and your feet is swelling up. So you need to go and see your doctor immediately, because this condition is a very dangerous condition that can lead to kidney failure, liver failure, and the rest of them, and even stroke. If you do not treat it early, maybe after pregnancy you see yourself going for dialysis, and you'll be like, what crime have I committed, rather than being pregnant. So it is your responsibility. You and your spouse has enjoyed yourself, so your responsibility is to keep yourself healthy throughout the pregnancy. No one can do it for you except yourself. So the next thing that can predispose you, things that can predispose you to this preeclampsia, is first time pregnancy. Maybe you are having your first time pregnancy, maybe above 30, you are having your first time, might be at risk. Then you are having a twin pregnancy, you are also at risk. You have, maybe you have previous history of these high blood pressure, you need to be monitored closely during pregnancy. Remember, your responsibility is to keep yourself healthy during pregnancy. Be guarded and save your life.